Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Creating a drawing of a rabbit from the number 22 is a fun and creative activity. Here is a simple step-by-step guide. First, you draw the number 22. Start by writing the number clearly in the middle of your paper. Leave some space between two digits. Turn the left 2 into the head. Add two small oval shapes on top of the curve to create rabbit's ears. Add two small oval shapes on top of the curve of the first two to create rabbit's hair. Add the nose and mouth on the bottom curve of the first two. Add a small triangle for the nose. Underneath the triangle, draw two small lines curving down to form the rabbit's mouth. Use the second two at the body. Draw a line connecting the bottom of the first two to the second. This will make the neck of the rabbit.